Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable picture color mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, okay, go to software informations. Okay, tap this. In software informations, go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again, and now you can see here in settings the developer options. Okay guys, below you can see the developer options. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. Here in developer options, okay, you can see here the picture color mode, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the picture color mode, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, you can use the sRGB. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled picture color mode on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.